Hello, all of you. So, hope you all are watching my career guidance videos, and you may be thinking why I'm not saying detailed about the career and I'm only talking about the countries, universities. I'll be coming to it. First, I wanted to give you wide scopes where we can even become universally great by choosing the career not only in India, even in foreign countries. So, see, we are all very back. We are all very back, and we are not knowing how back we are. We are all in all days and satisfied content, not knowing that how much competition is outside there. There are few people who are knowing all these things and they are able to reach there. They are able to complete it, and they are CEOs and they are in highest post as a managers. So as you all know, we celebrate every birthdays, we celebrate every famous person's birthdays and all anniversaries, and we are still remaining in the same place. So I thought I should reach common people, I should reach general public there, to tell that we have so many things. What we are now is just a small dot. So that is the reason I have been telling you people about career guidance, and then about all foreign countries. There are expenses, yeah, it's very costly and all that, for which we need to earn a lot, right? If not, we, at least for our younger generation, we'll have to make them so good that they start dreaming of high. The more they dream, they will reach that height. Dream, the more you dream, parents are the ones who should dream a lot, because once you start dreaming, your child starts following all your footsteps. So because I never knew that I'll be doing whatever my mother used to say when I was a young child. She said so many things. I'm not able to still get her all that, but I'm almost close to it. So only thing, they never told me about getting good marks. They said she's passing, they were appreciating, they were happy whenever I went for sports. So I did what made them happy. I didn't know that, I don't know. As per me, I'm saying, and what I'm studying my own child, right? You know, Darwin, um, the father of uh, yeah, the whole science there, who says about evolution. He studied his own child, and then all that whatever you're reading about his theory is believed by everybody here. So he read his own child. So we all read through our own child, and we make our own perceptions. Each of us think in our own way. Even I can start writing, but I need to improve my English well, so that I become an author in future. So I just wanted to say that career is really important. Every video of mine says this. So now I'm going to go for the English foreign languages, which is required for any tour to foreign land for your career options. So let me start with TOEFL. Okay, TOEFL is a test. This is the test of English. Okay, a foreign language. TOEFL is one of the most widely respected English language test in the world, accepted by more than 11,000 universities in over 150 countries, including Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and yeah, the United States, the UK, and all across Europe and Asia. It evaluates the ability of an individual to use and understand English in an academic settings. It also measures the ability of non-native speakers of English to use and understand North American English as it is spoken, written, and heard in college and university settings. The Educational Testing Services, ETS. Okay, ETS is Educational Testing Services, is the conducting body of the test of English as a foreign language, and is responsible, that is test of English as a foreign language is TOEFL, TOEFL, okay, and is responsible for setting the TOEFL questions, conducting the test and sending each examinee their score sheets. The test of English as a foreign language, there are two formats, TOEFL IBT. IBT is internet based test, and TOEFL PBT is paper based test. The TOEFL IBT is more preferred mode of the exam and commonly available to all of us to access. 98% of TOEFL test takers worldwide take the TOEFL IBT test delivered via the internet. Students can register online, by phone, through mail, or in person for the test. However, when it comes to payment, the mode is online. The computer delivered TOEFL IBT test is the only test that measures all four academic English skills: reading, listening, speaking, and writing, the way they are actually used in a classroom. So the TOEFL scores provide a true reflection of your abilities and show admissions of you have what admissions, okay, officers, you have what it takes to be great, okay. TOEFL is offered 30 to 40 times a year, 3 to 4 times a month, okay, and it is once again I'll repeat, TOEFL is offered 30 to 40 times a year, 3 to 4 times a month. And test format for TOEFL IBT has 4 sections, is taken on a computer at secure authorized test centers. The convenient structures allows you to take the test in about 3 hours instead of over 2 days, okay. So sections are reading, and time is 54 to 72 minutes. Number of questions are 30 to 40 questions, and the overview of the questions are: read passages, then respond to the questions. Listen, second section is listen, 41 to 57 minutes, 28 to 39 questions. Listen to lectures or classroom discussion and then respond to questions. Now break is for 10 minutes, then again you have speaking for 17 minutes, 4 tasks: speak into a microphone about familiar topics and discuss material you read about and listen to. Writing skills, you have 50 minutes, 2 tasks: read a passage, listen to a recording, and then write your written response. Scoring patterns, candidates will receive 4 scaled section scores and a total score. Each section has a score range of 0 to 30. These are added together for a total score of 0 to 120. Okay, so this is each skill has 4 to 5 proficiency levels. So where the score falls within that range shows the proficiency for that skill. For reading, advanced score is 24 to 30, high intermediate is 18 to 23, low intermediate is 4 to 17, below low intermediate is 0 to 3. For listening, advanced is 22 to 30, high intermediate is 17 to 21, low intermediate is 9 to 16, below low intermediate is 0 to 8. Speaking skill, advanced is 25 to 30, high intermediate is 20 to 24, speaking low intermediate is 16 to 19, basic is 10 to 15, and then below basic is 0 to 9. Now for writing, advanced is 24 to 30, high intensity is 17 to 23, low intensity is 13 to 16, basic is 7 to 12, below basic is 0 to 6. There are no passing or failing scores set by the TOEFL program or ETS. Each institute or agency sets its own score in requirement. 100 and above is considered to be a good score. There is also a provision for the test takers to apply for My Best Scores. My Best Scores, also referred to as super scores, are offered to show the candidate's best overall performance by combining the highest section scores from all test dates within the last 2 years. The scores are accepted by a lot of universities, colleges for different programs such as undergraduate, postgraduate, and diploma. Okay, so the universities, top universities which accept my best scores are University of British Columbia, University of Tokyo, Korea University, University of Leeds, Yale University, ETH Zurich, and lot more. So for accepting my best scores, you will have to click, as I said, https www.ets small letter at .org/yes/ TOEFL in small letter, then /PDF/institutions accepting my best scores in small letter added with ADA.PDF. Okay, how is the TOEFL IBT test scored? TOEFL IBT tests are only scored by centralized scoring network, never at the test center. The reading and listening sections are scored by computer. The speaking and writing sections are scored by a combination of automated AI scoring and multiple highly trained human raters too. Offer a complete and accurate picture of your ability, minimizes the rater bias that can occur with face-to-face interviews, ensures consistency and the highest quality. Getting and sending the scores, the official scores for all 4 sections of the test will be ready in approximately 6 days, and candidates can view them easily online. Candidates can download a PDF copy of their score report from their account within 8 days after the test. A paper score report will be mailed within 11 days after the test, only if candidates select that option while doing the registration. Scores are sent free to up to 4 institutions that the candidate selects prior to test days. All score reports automatically include my best scores, sometimes referred to as super scores, are the highest scores on each section: reading, listening, speaking, and writing, from all of the test takers. Valid TOEFL IBT test scores from tests taken in the last 2 years, and total score, that is sum of the my best section scores. Okay, so as I said, there is a sample for that which I would like to share it later. And the registration and fee dates for TOEFLs are: registration is available 5 to 6 months before the test date. Candidates can register online up to 2 days before a test date. However, it is recommended to register early to reserve a seat and look for convenient sessions that have to be added to select test dates. Registering online or through the TOEFL official app are the easiest method. The test fee depends on the location where the candidate will be taking the test. Then, due to COVID-19, to meet the needs of the students who are unable to take the TOEFL IBT test at a test center due to public health concerns, Educational Testing Services (ETS) is temporarily offering the TOEFL IBT Special Home Edition test. Okay, the Special Home Edition test. The test is identical in content, format, and on-screen experience to the TOEFL IBT test taken at a test center. It is taken on a candidate's own computer at home and is monitored by a human proctor online through ProctorU. At-home administrations are currently available around the clock 4 days a week. Appointments may be available as early as 24 hours after candidate's registration. Let us now discuss TOEFL PBT test format and relevant information around it. For those candidates who don't have access to the internet, there is a revised TOEFL paper delivered test. The revised TOEFL paper delivered test is offered only in locations where testing via the internet is not available. The test is offered 4 times each year. Test format for TOEFL BT. The revised TOEFL paper delivered test is administered in a paper and pencil format and takes about 2 hours and 25 minutes to complete. The test has 3 sections: listening, reading, and writing. Listening measures the ability to understand spoken English as it is used in university classroom, 41 minutes, and questions are 28. Reading measures the ability to understand non-technical reading material written in English, 54 minutes and 30 questions are there. Writing measures the ability to write in English in an academic setting, 50 minutes and 2 tasks are given. Now for this, fees below are for TOEFL BPT, okay, PBT, P for pen, B for board and T for 10. Okay, so items, test fee is US dollar 180 is the fee. Additional score reports per recipient, US dollar 20 each. Reading and listening answer sheet score review, US dollar 50. Writing section score review, US dollar 80. Score reinstated statement, US dollar 20. The fees for the revised TOEFL paper delivered tests are subject to change without notice. Candidates should keep a track on the official website. Scoring patterns, there is no passing or failing score for the revised TOEFL paper delivered test. Each section of the revised test has a score range of 0 to 30. No total score is reported. Using statistical analysis, they convert the raw scores for the listening and reading section to a number between 0 and 30. Each correct answer in the reading and listening sections counts equally towards the score for that section. The writing section is scored by an ETS rater. All TOEFL scores are valid for 2 years. Okay. For now, for educational qualification, eligibility for TOEFL tests are: for taking test of English as a foreign language, TOEFL test, no minimum educational qualification is required. Natives who have English as their secondary mode of communication should undertake the TOEFL test. Ideally, they should be in their 11th grade, as TOEFL is considered tough for students below 11th grade. There is no restriction either in terms of age qualification for taking TOEFL. As far as Indian candidates are considered, ordinarily a pass in 10+2 level of an recognized Indian board or university is suitable qualification to take TOEFL test of English as a foreign language test. Although the test is little on the higher side. Exemption from TOEFL: many higher educational institutions often do not require TOEFL test scores from certain categories of international applicants. Okay, so these includes non-native speakers, who hold degree or diploma from post-secondary institution in English speaking countries, the United States, Canada, England, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand. Non-native speakers who have successfully completed at least a 2 years course of study in which English was the language of instruction. Transferred students from institutions in the United States or Canada who academic coursework was favorably evaluated in relation to its demand and duration. Non-native speakers who have taken TOEFL test within the past 2 years. Non-native speakers who have successfully pursued academic work at schools where English was the language of instruction in an English-speaking country for a specified period, generally 2 years. As the eligibility requirement comes with added demand from various individual institutions, students must contact prospective institutions directly for admission requirement, that is requirement for TOEFL score. Preparation for TOEFL: in order to prepare for the test, candidates are required to practice rigorously. They can take a prep course or engage a tutor, or they can study on their own. Mentioned below are few books. Preparation book for TOEFL: the official guide to the TOEFL test by Education Testing Service, official TOEFL IBT test with audio by Education Testing Service, Cambridge preparation for the TOEFL test by Jolin Geer, Robert Geer, Cambridge University Press. Okay, so this was about TOEFL. So let's follow. I'll be saying some more points on this foreign language English. Thank you.